Hi, and this video is going to be talking about entering time. So, as you saw in the work order section, you can clock in 2 work orders. Um, if you didn't want to have your guys clock into work orders or time track against that, you can just use the straight out time tracking feature. So, if you go over to the menu and go time tracking and enter time, that'll bring you to this page. Or we do have a shortcut up here at the top with the plus symbol, where you can just enter new time and it'll take you right here. And then also on the app for the phones, for both Apple and Android, there's a shortcut button that takes them right to this page. We try to make it very simple for the guys to clock in. They can filter by, active only projects, all projects, just their projects, or if it's your service department, it can just be service projects which are completed in or out of warranty projects. So you select which one you want to filter by, then you're going to grab the project that you're going to track time against. It'll then bring up all the under phases. It'll be all the labor phases that you've created or that were pushed over from our proposal earlier, and they're going to grab the phase they're working on. And then they have a choice. They can manually enter the time, or they can just hit start time with the stopwatch. And if they're clocking in from their phone, they can actually, it actually does a GPS stamp of where they clocked in and everything. And then also they can make notes here of anything they've done or anything like that, which will go in that notes section under the project itself that we saw on the project details page. Also for management, we have this currently clocked in view. So if they click on the currently clocked in, you can see a list of all your guys, the project they're on, the phase they're working on, the date and time they clocked in, and an actual live running clock. And if they need to, they can stop the clock right here. We also made it easy for the guys to switch in and out of jobs, because we know they switch jobs throughout the day. So if they simply hit stop, it's going to then stop the clock. It takes them right back to this clock in page. They simply grab the next project they're working on, the next phase, and start tracking time. So again, we made it as simple as possible for them to clock in and out of the time clock here. And also, if you're wanting guys to clock against unbillable hours, you can create different phases. So I would create a project that is your company project and create phases like warehouse, meetings, office, whatever it may be, and they can clock in time against that. And you can truly use this for your time clocks completely, and because this is all the times all exportable, as you'll see, to QuickBooks Online, so or Xero, where you can do your payroll out of that. And that's how you clock in and out of the time clock in projects.